On this Hiscall how-to video, I will demonstrate how to place an outgoing call using collaboration. If you'll remember from our other video selecting an active device, you know that there you can have multiple devices configured within collaboration. In this case, I'm selected for web, so all of my call control and audio are using my internet browser of my PC. I could also use my workforce desk phone, my mobile extension, my mobile device, or I could have it select any. When it select any, when I place an outgoing call, all of my active devices will ring, and I can choose my preferred device before the outbound portion of that call is placed. So I'm going to choose this back to web for now. And the first place that we will look to make an outgoing call is here within the search field. I can search using a number, can type a number in here and it will find a contact that matches that extension number. It could also be an external number that you want to dial. I can also type in a name. Let's type in Park. Now, when the result comes up, I have the option to come down here at this arrow and I can select call. I can also select this green call via web icon here. When you're using this search field, it will find the searches for the letters that you type in. In this case, IAN, it found N and Diane. And I have the same options for placing calls there. All right. So that is from the search field. Let's look at some of these other areas within collaboration. For example, colleagues. One of the things that we will see that is fairly consistent when we're working within collaboration are our options when placing an outgoing call. Here in colleagues, if I hover over one of my colleagues, I can place the call using this handset icon, or the options buttons here will bring up the option to call, or I can also right click on the contact and it will give me the option to place a call. That's fairly consistent within the application. For example, if we look at our function keys here, if I bring that up, those same options, when I hover over this speed dial button, here I can select the handset icon, I can bring up the options keys to place a call, or I can right click on it and place a call there. So you see it's pretty consistent as I'm using the application. When let's say you're in a messaging session or you're working in the messaging tab and you want to place a call. Within the messaging session window up in the upper right hand corner, you can place a call by selecting the handset icon here. You can also select the option keys to place a call there, just like we saw earlier, or of course you can right click and you can place a call to that contact. So there you have it. It's pretty consistent. Now that's from the chat window, chat session. Let's go to your phone book and we will see that it's very similar. You can find a contact that you want to call, you highlight that, and you can select call from here. You select the number that you want to call. You can also right click that contact and place a call there. Again, fairly consistent experience. When we're in our voicemail tab, let's say we want to place a call when we're in our managing our voicemails. Here I can right click and I can place a call to one of my contacts from voicemail. So that's it. It's pretty consistent and pretty easy to do in placing an outgoing call. Let me just show you right quick what happens. I'm just going to type 203 and press enter, and it's going to place an outgoing call. And I'm going to go ahead. So there we go. All right. So that's what happens when you place a call. It's how easy it is in collaboration. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. 866-740-7771. Also, be sure and check out our other how-to videos on our YouTube channel. Lastly, thank you for being a loyal Hiscall customer.